In this lesson, we'll be learning how to say a pepeha. A pepeha is how Māori introduce themselves. Pepeha talks about your genealogical ties to a place or people. Before introducing our names, we start from the beginning of time, before we were born. The land was here first, so we acknowledge our mountain. The rain formed our rivers and lakes. Our canoes then arrived on our shores, so we say our waka, or canoe. On board those waka were our tribes and sub-tribes. They cleared spaces to build our marae. On those marae they erected ancestral houses known as whare tipuna. And finally, we then introduce ourselves. So now we know the structure of pepeha, let's learn how to say it. Ko hikurangi te maunga. Hikurangi is the mountain. Ko waiapu te awa. Waiapu is the river. Ko horauta te waka. Horauta is the canoe. Ko Ngāti Porou te iwi. Ngāti Porou is the tribe. Ko te whānau ārua taupare te hapu. Te whānau ārua taupare is the sub-tribe. Ko Pākirikiri te marae. Pākirikiri is the marae. Ko te hono ki rarotonga te whare tipuna. Te hono ki rarotonga is the ancestral house. Ko te Aorere pē whairangi ahau. Te Aorere pē whairangi is my name. Tēnā karawhiua. Give it a go.